The new Twinmotion 2026 version has finally been released, and the updates are honestly incredible. So without wasting time, let's jump straight into all the new features. Auto Soft Edge. Probably together with the photo match, this has been one of the most requested features ever by the Twinmotion community. Soft edges are essentially rendering if you want realistic results. Auto Soft Edge allows you to bevel all the edges of imported 3D models directly into Twinmotion, without any technical knowledge. From now on, you can stop beveling edges inside your modeling software. In Twinmotion, with a single click, you can control the bevel radius using a simple and intuitive slider. Improvements to particle systems. How many times did you struggle with the old fire and water assets in previous Twinmotion versions, trying to make them look decent? Thankfully, starting from version 2026, that frustration is officially over. All fire, water, smoke and fog assets in the VFX category have been completely revamped, and the results are impressive. The first thing that you'll notice is the massive improvement in animation quality. These new assets look beautiful and have nothing in common with the old ones. But what really makes the difference is the level of control. For example, with fire, you can now adjust embers, smoke amount, color, length and type. And when using burning logs, you can even control how much hash is visible, all with the classic Twinmotion simplicity. Water is just as impressive and opens up scenarios that were unthinkable before. In fact, there is a huge variety of water jets available, and for the first time, you can finally add water streams directly under shower heads for ultra-realistic animations. European Tree Pack. New European trees added to the Twinmotion library truly deserve attention. A collection of 30 photorealistic European trees species have been added, offering a wide variety of shapes and sizes to enrich your scenes. Each tree comes in 3 variations, making it much easier to achieve a natural and believable look when used in the same biome. The quality here is simply outstanding. Photo match. Since I started teaching Twinmotion, one of the most common questions I've been asked is, when will Twinmotion finally get to match? And by the way, my Twinmotion Masterclass is currently the first and only training center in the world officially certified by Epic Games. You'll find the link in the description. Well, now we can finally say it out loud. Photo composition can now be done directly inside Twinmotion. The workflow is similar to other professional tools. You import a background image, set a scene anchor, adjust the project perspective using a grid or guidelines, and you're done. From that moment on, your 3D model is perfectly aligned with the image. And if you need advanced post-production, you can still composite externally, but you can already project real 3D shadows directly into your image, without using any image editing software. Lining channels. Lining channels allow you to precisely control which objects are affected by which lights in your scene. A classic example is a product render set in a photographic studio, where the artificial light should affect only the object being rendered, and not the entire surrounding environment. Autofocus. This is one of those features you didn't know you needed, until you use it. With autofocus enabled, Twinmotion automatically focuses on the elements at the center of the camera, based on the field of view value. As you move the camera, the focus updates instantly, making depth of field shots faster and more intuitive than ever. Anamorphic oval and petzval bokeh. Continuing with focus-related features, we are no longer talking about a simple blur, but realistic bokeh inspired by real photographic lenses. Anamorphic oval bokeh turns out-of-focus lights into oval shapes, instantly creating a cinematic look, perfect for high-end marketing and realistic images. With petzval bokeh, the effect changes completely. The blur gently swirls around the subject, increasingly depth and naturally guiding the viewer's eye. Just remember, these are not effects to use everywhere, but powerful tools when you want to convey atmosphere. Camera barrel distortion. With the new barrel distortion slider, you can recreate the natural distortion typical of real lenses, especially wide-angle ones. Straight lines gently curve near the edges of the frame, adding another layer of photographic realism. Persistent file location. Moving on to more technical updates, Twinmotion has completely changed how libraries are managed. Now Twinmotion uses a persistent folder structure, shared across all versions. At first launch, Twinmotion automatically opens a new library transfer tool. allowing you to migrate assets from previous versions with no manual file handling. It's an invisible change during daily work, but a fundamental one for long-term asset management. And thanks to this system, my free asset library will always be available across all future Twinmotion versions. If you haven't downloaded yet, you'll find the link in the description. Datasmith plugin notification system. The final addition is a quality of life improvement for anyone using Direct Link. Twinmotion now detects which 3D modeling software and versions are installed on your system and automatically provides the correct Datasmith export plugin directly from the home panel, under the plugin section. That's everything introduced in Twinmotion 2026, but if you missed the features from the previous Twinmotion 2025.2 version, you'll find the video here to catch up and combine them with these new updates. That said, I wish you a good day or evening and see you very soon. Ciao!